Do you find it difficult to show the right date range in your Power BI reports? With the new Date Picker Slicer option in Power BI, you can dynamically select relative or manual date ranges, while reducing the need for ongoing report maintenance as your data changes. Here's what you need to know. See exactly what you're filtering. The Date Picker gives you two summaries, so you can quickly understand both the dates being displayed and the range you selected. You can also customize the slider, calendar button, summaries, and date formatting to match your report design. Enable the Date Picker. You can enable the Date Picker through Visual, then Slicer Settings, then Options in the Format pane when a date column is added to the slicer. During preview, Date Picker slicers can be created in Power BI Desktop, while published reports can be viewed and edited in the Power BI service. Use case number 1. Show the last full month. Avoid misleading dips caused by displaying a partially completed month by using a relative date range that automatically moves forward as new data arrives. For example, you can configure the slicer to show the last 24 complete calendar months for more meaningful year-over-year comparisons. Use case number 2. Handle dates beyond your data. What happens when your date table extends into the future, but your actual data doesn't? By applying a filter to your measure or column so that blank values are excluded, the Date Picker can dynamically align the range with the latest date where actual data exists. Use case number 3. Create a more compact slicer. You can customize the Date Picker to take up just a single line, giving your report more room for the visuals that matter. Turn off the slicer header and slider, adjust the summary and date range formatting, and use a calendar button for a clean, compact experience. The result? More flexible date filtering, less manual maintenance, and reports that stay relevant as your data changes. Stay tuned for more Power BI updates.